Friends, welcome back to Simple Tech Solve. Today I have brought a new video for you, especially useful for those who use Samsung or other kinds of Android devices. We may sometimes come across this kind of problem on our phone. As you can see on the screen, it's a kind of freaking virus notifications that will appear randomly on your mobile screen, and it says like your systems have been severely damaged or viruses have been detected on your phone, like this kind of stuff. And these notifications will come up with a blue button at the bottom and will suggest you to take some actions by clicking on the blue button to repair or get rid of this problem. These are actually scams used by the hackers or scammers to trap or victimize innocent users of Android devices. Their intention is to penetrate into users' data, disrupt their system, and pose threat to their safety, security, and privacy. If you see this kind of notifications on your screen, just don't panic and don't take any actions they may suggest you to take. And definitely you should not touch on the blue button, as touching it you will allow this malware to take into your system, and it will disrupt your system and pose threat to your security and privacy of your phone. So don't panic and just follow my video, and here I will show you step by step how to get rid of this problem entirely. Just bear with me. So now in this video I'm gonna show you how to solve this problem entirely by following some few simple steps. And before jumping, I would like to request you to subscribe and like my channel. So first what we need to do is to open our Chrome browser on the home screen. Then on top right hand corner, as you can see, 3-dot menu. Just tap here and go to your settings and open it. Once you are on settings, just scroll down to privacy and security settings. Here, as you can see, just up here. Here, as you can see, just below privacy and security, clear browsing data. So tap here. So on this screen, you need to check all the boxes right. First, browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. So make sure that you clear all the data from here. Just tap clear data. So these are cleared now. So next thing you have to do is to just come back to Chrome again and open it from top right hand corner. Go to settings, open, and go to site setting. So here you have to scroll down to pop-ups and redirects. You can see my pop-ups and redirects already disabled. So if it is not disabled on your phone, what you need to do, just tap it and uncheck it this way, and then again come back to site settings and then scroll down to ads. You can see it here, ads. Just tap here and you see here my ads are allowed, so it will enable Google Chrome to pop up ads on my screen. So what I should do, just tap and disable ads this way. So that's done. So Google Chrome will not be able to show up more ads on my screen. And finally, more importantly, you just need to do one simple thing. Just open your settings from your home screen. You can get access to settings on your home screen and tap here. Once you open your settings, just scroll down to privacy and open it. On the privacy screen, just you can see towards the end you open ads. On this screen, what you need to do, just to check the box right hand side on opt out of ads personalization. While you go to check it, then a screen will pop up and it will show a message, opt out of interest based ads. You will still see ads, and what you need to do, just tap OK, because by this way, just checking this box, you will be able to stop or block 95% of the ads and pop-ups which originate from Google Chrome browser. So just tap OK. That's it. As you know guys, internet has become an indispensable part in our day-to-day life, and every day we have to surf through various sites, through various browsers. So in the process we may encounter this kind of problem every now and then. So we shouldn't worry, as just following some few simple steps as I have shown in my videos, we can solve this problem. Hopefully by following these simple processes you will be able to block this kind of unwanted notifications on your screen and make your phone smooth, safe and secured. Thank you guys for your patience and watching my video. So my friends, that's all from Simple Tech Solved today. Hope this video has been useful to you. I appreciate your kindness to subscribe and like my channel so that you can catch up with my next one, and hope to see you with the next video. Until then, have a good time. Thank you.